Hey guys, it's Maggie. I'm back with day 2 of Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. There's a sketch, and I will be rotating it. The sketch calls for 3x3 pictures. I'm using 3.5 by 3.5. I have already matted my pictures and made that little seagull ahead of time. Now I'm just getting out my title. And the video is sped up quite a bit because there's really not much to this layout. It's pretty simple. Feeding the seagulls. The title is Feeding the Seagulls, and then below I put Happy Soul because my son, this is Noah, and he is the happiest kid I've ever met. He is happy all the time. So I stamped 2 seagulls right there on the title. And I add a little dolphin sticker and journaling. And that's basically it. If you look in the description box, you'll see everyone that's following along. And I'd like to see what you make. Thanks.